Hello out there. In this lesson I'm going to be finding the equation of a circle whose center is given and it passes through a point on its circumference. So the question here goes, find the equation of the circle whose center is 5 and -4 and passes through the point -3 and 2 on its circumference. So the first thing I'm going to draw here is my circle. So I have my circle now, and the circle is having a center. The question says the center is having a coordinate 5 and -4. I'm going to have that as O. That's my center. Then I have a point on the circumference. The point on the circumference is having coordinates -3 and 2. So I'll call this point, I will call it point P. I have a line now from the center to a point on the circumference P, and of course from the center to any point on the circumference is what we call the radius. So this is my radius. Now I will need to get radius R. My radius is R, and you remember the distance between 2-point formula. The distance between 2-point formula is given by in this case I'm going to say R square equals to OP square, and OP is that line, is that radius. So OP square is equals to y2 minus y1 all squared plus x2 minus x1 square. So that's the distance between 2-point formula. Now what I'll do next is to identify my x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'll take point P to be my point 1, to be my first point, and point O to be my second point. So it means that x1 is going to be -3 and y1 is equals to 2. When you have a coordinate, is always x y. So this is my x1, this is my y1. So for point O now, that's my second point, so that will be x2. X2 will be 5, that's this. Then y2 will be -4. So I can put that in this formula now. So I'm going to have OP square equals to y2 is -4 minus y1 is 2 all squared plus, then I have x2 is 5 minus x1 is -3, so I have -3, then all squared now. So this definitely will give me -6 squared plus 5 -3, that's 5 plus 3, and that will give me 8 square. So definitely OP square will be 36 plus 64, that's -6 square, that's 36, and 8 square is 64. So OP square is 100. What that means is that my OP, which is my radius, that's the length or the distance between these 2 points, the length, so that's my R. OP square equals to 100. So that's my r square, which is 100. I will leave it this way. I will not find the square root because I will later use it in this form. So from the question, what I have now is the center. The center is having coordinates of 5 and -4. Now I can now use the equation of the circle formula now. Equation of a circle, and the equation of a circle, as I did in my previous lesson, the link is in the description, is x minus a square plus y minus b square equals to r square. In this formula, a and b are the coordinates of the point at the center. So my a is going to be 5 and my b is going to be -4. So I'll put that in this equation now. I'm going to have x minus 5 square plus y minus -4, then all squared equals to r square is 100. R is 10, r square is 100. So what I'll do here is just to expand this, and I'm good. So I go further. I have x minus 5 square plus this will give us y plus 4 square equals to 100. And expanding this, you know how we expand this, that will be x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 5, x square minus 10x plus 25. That's what I get when I do x minus 5 square by expanding in this form. So same thing I'll do for this. I'm going to have plus, that's y square, y times y plus 4y and plus another 4y, which is 8y, then plus 16 equals to 100. So what I need to do next is to arrange this properly now. So I'm going to have x square, I bring in y square plus y square, then negative 10x, then I have positive 8y, then 25, positive 25, positive 16 will give positive 41 equals to 1. So finally now the equation of the circle will be x square plus y square negative 10x positive 8y. Then I'll bring in this 100. I'll bring it to the left hand side. When I do that, I'm going to have negative 59 equals to then 0. Nothing will be left on the right hand side. So I have gotten the equation of the circle now. This is the equation of the circle. That's how we get the equation of a circle when the center is given and another point on the circumference. I'd like you to subscribe and watch out for my next lesson on equation of a circle when the diameter is given. Thank you for watching.